What's going on, YouTube? You're rocking with your boy Bear, and we're back for another great episode. We're gonna do a little bounce around today. We're gonna target some mangrove snapper. We're gonna target some grunts, and we're also gonna target some sheep's head. Y'all stay tuned, stay watching. We're gonna get some footage for you guys.
Let's go.